Okay, now here you are building from a scratch, right? We are not building any framework application. We are not building any like see sometimes how it will be is like Pega will provide us framework. Okay, on framework we'll develop our application. Okay, so whenever you are building an application, okay, see, I'm telling you in your day-to-day life, okay, you will not create an application. Okay, who will create an application? Applications and all will be created by lead system architects. LSS and all will create you an application and they will provide you an URL. Okay, in your day-to-day life, you will never create an application. Application is already built and will already be put there because those are all big applications like based on banking and all, banking, insurance and all. So the application is already developed by senior level people. Will not develop an application, but just for our understanding, we are here creating one sample application. Okay. Yeah. Click on continue. Yeah. You click on traditional only. That one only looks good. 1 second. It's okay. It's okay. Click on back. Build from scratch. Okay. Yeah. Click on that one only. Traditional. Okay, now it is asking for an application name. Now let's create an application that is food delivery food delivery application. Okay, like something like a food order application. Okay, like Swiggy or Zomato will develop such kind of POC food delivery application. Okay, now before see anytime you are doing anything like you are either creating an application uh, or else creating a data type or anything, you have to go to advanced. Okay, go to advanced and see how actually the configuration are there, because as a developer you need to go through every setting how actually you are providing the inputs. Okay, now you enter the application name as what shall we give, like order, online order. You can give
Okay.
any name related to your order. Click on advanced. Okay, don't click on create. Now if you saw, application ID has been truncated, framework and implementation. Yeah, you keep this one as a framework. Now the class structure will be changed. Yeah, keep it as a framework. Organization name is there, na? You change your organization name. Give your some organization that doesn't looks good, right?
Yeah.
You give any other organization name, whatever you want. Like if it is a cake magic or something cake order. Okay, yeah,
It's okay.
yeah. You can give cake only. Don't give such that a big name. You
Hmm.
just give cake. Division name is something you can give as India. You can give division. You need something you can give as Hyderabad or some any other city name.
Bune short.
Yeah, Pune can give. And if you saw the application ID is there, let's change the application ID. That doesn't looks good. It is actually truncating the application ID. You can give cake order. Cake you have given, right?
Yeah.
You can give cake order. No, that one also I think it will take. Okay, you just try to give.
Yeah.
Okay, it has taken. Organization you give as cake magic. Organization name doesn't looks good as cake. You just cake magic. Yeah. In below also in class structure also give cake magic. Now you saw the class structure is there. No?
I can't enter more than these
Yes,
many
yes.
characters.
Okay, then you can give. Yeah, you give. It's an organization, right? You can give cake. You just give cake here. It's a class structure actually. See, you are now creating one class. Okay, you can see organization, application name, and work group name. Work group is then that is work. Cake FW cake order. Work is your primary class. That one will become your primary class, and PEGA will create those classes on behalf of you. Now you saw the application ID, application version also you can saw 010101. This is the first version. Go to the top. 1 second. Framework. Yeah, this looks good, right? Organization is Cake Magic. Division is India. Inside India, you are locating in Pune. Here the class structure is cake, FW, cake order. Work. Okay, you click on save. And here instead of online order, you give us cake order because that's how you give in the. And you once again you click on advanced. Okay, now these are all there, right? Okay, click on save. Yeah, yeah, create an application. Okay, now you click on Cosmos users. Oh, yeah, you click on that. Okay, there is no operator. Okay, now you click on log off and log in again. Let's create an operator and give the access of this application to that operator.
Okay.
Yeah, open your operator. Okay, this is an admin operator, right?
Yeah.
You try to save as this operator. Whether is it saving as, I think it will not save. You just try. You give some your name here, like you are creating an operator. Now to give an access, you need to provide an access group. Okay, access group acts as an application access. Yeah, you click on down arrow. You will see you will have cake order administration administrators. Do you have it?
Author and user.
No, you will have admin also. Go top, go to the top. No, not there. Okay, it's okay. Generally, it will create 4 operators, like 4 access groups, others, users, and all. You can give users here. Try to give user. And you select that one. There's a default, you select that one. Okay. Now you save it.
Change that full name. It is administrator, it is showing.
Okay.
That's not mandatory. It's
Yeah.
okay. And here I think we should have framework structure as well as another one. So that is what we are missing.
Implementation.
No, application access group. There should be like one normal user, another one is framework user FW. It should be, but why it is showing only 2?
Even for
I mean,
your case, did this happen?
yes, I have not yet created. I'm just following your screen. No, I'm saying 4 access group by default, it should create like framework access and normal user access.
Yeah, generally it will create an administrator's access group. What is the difference is like if you expand that administrator, DM sample or PRPC, then expand it, you will have a role. See, one role is there as an extra role. See, what is that role? Security administrator is there. You expand PRPC administrator. See how many roles it has, means that has full access to the application, but users doesn't have entire access. Like you can control the access. You understand, right?
Yeah.
Suppose you have applied for leave, you cannot go and see the leave approval screen, right?
Yeah.
Those links and all will be having the access only for managers. See, manager might be anyone, but it is all based on his role.
Yeah.
Okay, whatever the role, the access group has, you see the roles are there, right?
Yes.
This all comes under security concepts actually. Access groups, access roles, privileges, access role to objects, access deny rules. These things are all will come to security. Okay, we'll not discuss security on CSA. Okay, now you have given users here. You save it. You click on. Okay, you once you open that users thing or users access group. No, you have a crosshair icon. Yeah, click on it. Do you have developer access for this one? See, you have only user portal here. This will not work. Go to your administrator once. Sorry, go to your operator.
Administrator, right?
No,
Also
your operator. Click on plus icon in the below. You again enter cake or actually you should have. You try to give others, and open that access. No, not others. The first one is an other. Yeah. Open that access group. Okay, this has everything. Come down. You have sysadmin 4, right?
Yeah.
Come down. Come to the roles.
This is.
Yeah, sysadmin 4 you have. Security administrator you have. PEGA API you have. Okay. Default portal you keep developer. No, save it. Go to your operator. What happened? Valid record for this user portal. Okay, you delete that user portal or else. Now you save it. Go to your operator. Now you select this as default. Yeah. Save it. Okay, now you click on the PEGA platform.
PEGA platform.
On the top, you have a PEGA platform. Top header.
Okay.
Right. Click hover on switch application. Okay, you just log off and log in. 1 second. Go to security. You change your password, update password, and you try to log in with this operator. Try to log in with this operator. Okay, now you have logged with, you can see on the top, it's cake order. Okay, you understand what have you done? You have created one operator. You have given access to that operator from access group. Okay, you have verified what are the portals are available. And you have logged off and logged in with that operator.